Aloha! Didn't see you there. I was just playing my ukulele here. I'm going to teach you how to hold the ukulele, how to strum it, and how to play some chords. So, first, we hold the ukulele, the body of the ukulele, with our right forearm and hold it against our chest so that we can strum. And we support the neck with our left hand while changing chords. So, the strumming is done with the first finger, or the pointer finger, right where the neck meets the body. There's that. Now, the first chord that we can learn is a C chord. And how that is played is you take your third finger, which is your ring finger, and you place it on the third fret of the bottommost string, the string that's closest to the floor. And then you strum. This is what it sounds like. And that's the C chord. Now, the next chord we can learn is the A chord, the A minor chord. You take your second finger, which is this finger, and you place it on the second fret on the topmost string. So, there you have it. That is the C chord and the A chord. Thank you for watching.